Honorable Speaker, quorum is not present.
According to our standing orders, a quorum, standing orders number 35, a quorum of the County Assembly or of a committee of the whole County Assembly shall be a third of its members. If there is not a quorum present when the chair is taken, all the time appointed for a meeting of the County Assembly, immediately after the saying of the prayer, the Speaker shall order the bell to be rung for 10 minutes. Sergeant at Arms, kindly ring the bell for 10 minutes. Kindly clerk, check whether we now have sufficient quorum.
Honorable Speaker, quorum is not present.
Okay, members, our standing orders continues to read that, and if no quorum is present at the expiration of the 10 minutes, the Speaker may direct that the bell be rung for a further 5 minutes. I decline to grant the 5 minutes. Members, this House stands adjourned until tomorrow, 2:30. Sorry, members, this House stands adjourned until today, 2:30, this afternoon.